Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the McFarlane Toys Deathstroke action figure. So first, nag-apply tayo ng Bosnia number 4 flat black. And I think nag-apply na rin tayo ng, oh, okay. Dalawang steps na pala to. Dry brushing ng steel and gunmetal. So right now, ina-apply ko na yung white para naman sa skull. And so I'm using a flat brush para dun sa kanyang skull design. Excuse me, skull base paint. Base color pala. So you have the white sa kanyang right part of the chest and sa left part of the chest. And then next, I'm going to use a Hero Paints water-based acrylic primer, matte black naman, so we can paint the skull, skull's eyes and shadows and the teeth and the nose. All right, next, yung paint natin naman yung kanyang red, orange, and yellow na eyes. Okay, so first step red muna, and then second orange, and then third step yung yellow naman. Tapos yung last, we can also apply white. Okay, for this step, I'm applying leather brown dun sa mga pouches. Tapos after nito, apply ng cargo brown. So it's a lighter shade of brown. So ang application lang nito, puro dry brushing lang. Yung leather brown kanina, base coat. So dito dry brushing technique naman. So we can add some weathering dun sa mga pouches niya. And also add some highlights. Next, Dwarven Rich Gold, some metallics dun sa kanyang scales na part. And then warm red and blood red for blood effects. Ang application natin dito, we are going to use a sponge. So there you have it, mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Tapos na tayo sa Deathstroke na action figure custom repaint. Thank you very much, bro, Randy. Yan, yan yung client natin, si bro Randy. Yan, wala namang nabago sa articulation. Nga pala yung last na step na ginawa natin dito, nag-apply tayo ng top coat. Number 191 flat clear din yung top coat na ginamit natin. Yung primer pala natin dito, flat black. Mag-add na lang ako ng mga McFarlane Toys na ammunition pack. Version 1 and 2. Alright, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.